part of the reason I wanted to have you on the show is I care about you.
What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's not.
It's completely peculiar. It's eccentric. It's unorthodox. It was non-linear. And I think if any random comedian went on stage in the audition and did that, it would fail me.
Stuff like that. I saw elements of.
Appreciate it, and I just want to be able to push out meat.
At least, so we said who, what, and where.
Great. Well, I just have some preliminary questions.
In the paint cans, you know?
Oh, okay.
You go away from the paint cans.
Tell me about that.
And I based.
They bought a bunch of old mayonnaise jars that were washed out.
It's where you get a Jewish person who wants to jitsu.
You ready to?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and music. I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.